Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
George back now. Another very warm start this morning.
Yeah, it was
very
great.
nice.
Yeah, if you're keeping track, this is now the 3rd morning in a row that we've set one of these weird records that kind of needs explaining.
It really does.
Complicated record.
3rd morning in a row, a record high low temperature set, and this means the highest morning temperature that has occurred for the day. Normally, we only talk about the record low temperature for the day. Make sense?
Completely.
Got it.
Thumbs up. The normal low for today is 40. We were 65 this morning. The record low is 22. The old record high low was 58. There you go, 3 mornings in a row. Tomorrow morning we'll make a run toward the 4th straight record. The numbers for the rest of today: 73 at noon, then gradually trying to see more sunshine this afternoon, kind of a familiar looking forecast. Upper 70s toward 3 and nearing 80 by 5 p.m. We've kind of been in and out of the clouds this morning. They've been varying in thickness throughout the morning. 71 degrees and it's humid. The dew point temperature in the mid 60s. That's normally what we would see in May. Means it's very humid. Probably get a sweat very easily today. And it's breezy with a south wind at 17 miles per hour. Temperatures: Bartlesville is now up to 75, 74 in Coffeyville, 72 toward Grand Lake, Tahlequah and Bristow and in the upper 60s, Muskogee 71, and toward Eufaula and McAllister lower 70s. The south wind has picked up since this morning. Generally, the wind is around 15 miles per hour. We'll see that for this afternoon, 15 to about 25 miles per hour. So if you are outdoors, at least you will have kind of a breeze to help to cool you down. The area of clouds is showing up as this grayish color on the satellite. They're kind of trying to build their way into the region. For this afternoon, we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy kind of a day. We also saw a few showers earlier this morning near and just east of Fayetteville. Right now, there's a huge area of thunderstorms near St. Louis. And also, you can see heavy rain, which has been ongoing in the Memphis area, causing a lot of street flooding in that direction. These areas of heavy rain remaining well off to our east for today as well as the weekend. If we get rain this weekend, it's only going to be areas of light rain. The futurecast for today shows generally higher chances for rain off to our east into Arkansas and Missouri, but even those rainfall totals will be fairly low. Then overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, we'll see the clouds redeveloping. So initially clear during the evening, then clouds reforming toward tomorrow morning. And if you do have outdoor plans in the morning, we could see a few showers redeveloping across the Tulsa area. But the rainfall totals light, under 1/10 of an inch. Most of us will miss out on the rain. For the rest of today, partly to mostly cloudy skies. High temperature in Tulsa of 80 degrees. We'll see a few temperatures near the mid 80s again today toward Bartlesville, 81 in Grove, upper 70s Tahlequah, 80 Okmulgee, and 79 degrees in McAllister. For tonight, mostly clear, then increasing clouds late, a low of 64 with the southeast breeze. The rest of Green Country, upper 50s and lower 60s. We could set yet another record high-low temperature again tomorrow morning. 7-day forecast. Low rain chances for the weekend. The rain chances do spike up slightly on Sunday, but all eyes are going to be on Monday and Tuesday. On Monday and Tuesday, a slow-moving low-pressure area will approach Oklahoma, and heavy rain will be possible across much of the state. If you have travel plans almost anywhere in Oklahoma, moderate to heavy rain will be possible, and still looks like this low is going to have a tough time moving out. So that means Wednesday and Thursday, we will also see chances for rain and thunderstorms. And as far as this humidity, it's not going anywhere.
And it's not good. I don't like it, George.
Extra frizzies for today, kind of one of those days.
Not good for
Something.
hair, exactly.
No.
Yeah,
All right.
this humidity is not going anywhere, so awesome hairstyles for the next week.
Get used to it.
Thank you, George.
All right.